Well, it's clearly a case of outperformance as far as emerging markets, as far as India is concerned. Within the emerging market space, when you're talking about the performance in India versus other Asian peers, other emerging market peers, Indian markets clearly are seeing quite a bit of a divergent performance, and this is an outperformance that we are seeing this time around. Even within the Indian market, there has been quite a bit of an outperformance, especially when you're comparing one sector of the market that's been a clear outperformer, which is the IT pack. The IT sector, the IT index has clearly outperformed other sectors, and this includes the banking sector. So at this point of time, Laurence Balanco of CLSA, one of the most respected and one of the analysts that has a very good track record when it comes to making a trend-changing argument. So what he is noting at this point of time, he says the MSCI emerging market versus the developed market ratio is trading at its steepest discount of 12% to its 200-day moving average since 2018. He's saying that they are facing and seeing similar extremes in the MSCI China versus India as well. What he is saying is that the Indian market currently has the NSE IT versus the NSE Bank ratio trading at a 20% premium to its 200-day moving average. So what he is doing is he's comparing the NSE IT index performance with the NSE Bank performance, and he's saying that there's a case of a clear outperformance by IT stocks versus the banking stocks. What he is saying, and this is quite interesting, he's saying that currently it is trading at the upper boundary of its 2010 to date trading range. So what does this mean? He's saying going forward, he's calling for a trend reversal. He's saying that the NSE Bank index is set to outperform the NSE IT sector. So what is the key call that Laurence Balanco is making at this point of time? He is saying he's recommending taking profits, booking profits, and switching from Infosys and buying into HDFC Bank. So a long HDFC Bank, a short Infosys call is what Laurence Balanco is making at this point of time. He believes that the outperformance that we have seen so far from the IT pack may not continue, and in fact he believes going forward banks are the one that could lead the entire market forward. He's saying Indian IT names are on the list, and he is reiterating his message and reiterating their message to go ahead and book profits. Now, within the banking pack, clearly there have been calls by analysts that a revival of the capex cycle would bode quite well as far as banks are concerned. And CLSA's Laurence Balanco too is adding to this particular call, and he is saying that HDFC Bank is the bank that he is at this point of time quite bullish.